Hi to all, I want to introduce a new feature in Next.js model federation plugin. I added a useMFRouter hook which helps to resolve problem with menu when we try to switch between different applications and change this menu dynamically without any problems. So previous logic was quite terrible. First of all, we need to define some method which uses internals of global variable model federation router, which check path, load something, load components. So it was terrible. Besides this method, besides this function, we also have to define two use effects which track changes in router according to the path, check that is it local menu or is it remote menu. So it's local router or remote router, so it was terrible. So let's remove all this terrible logic except menu component. And also we get rid of getMF menu component method. So what we just need to do, it's useMFRouter and define here just one callback on change remote. In future it will be added more, but right now for us enough just this one. So if we have remote here, we can const remote up menu equals await. Let's do it async await remote get module. All menus are exposed as separate page, so I able to import it like pages menu, and it's exported like a default export. So let's write default, read default property in loaded module. So after that, what I can to do, it just set menu component. Let's wrap it in our function, because if I pass just remote up menu, under the hood it's just a function. So in set state we need to wrap it in function components. So if we want to set it like a state value, the same trick is done here, was done here. So anyway, it's not the main point. Otherwise, if remote is not defined, if it come as like undefined value, so it means that we switch back to the host application. So, and we have to return back host menu. Spams. And that's all. So if we go to checkout menu, we see, let's reload it, we see checkout menu. If we switch on shop, okay, it's look like our checkout out menu. It's look like, yeah, it's index.js defined here. So this road, main road, this application belong, the main page belongs to checkout. This incorrect highlighting of home menu. So if we remove index.js, let's do this. So right now it's home application, it's automatically downloaded from home. So right now 3002 is its checkout application. So checkout shop home, and if we just update this application, it show us error about difference in rendering, because server side is not ready for rendering in my branch. That's why it shows this error. On production, it's silently just written in console without any dialog or windows with highlighting of errors, so nothing happened for end users. How we see right now, menu works correctly even for pages which are not able to render on server side in checkout application. So here is some strange magic about that we receive error page from checkout application, but MFRouter detects that this route belongs to another remote application, and under the hood for user just change this application without showing 404 page, not found page, to end users. That's all.